In my heart of hearts, I feel very fortunate to work with you. I sincerely do. I mean that very sincerely. The value you bring is so much greater than and I just want you to know I appreciate it. You're the only one who's provided value to me, long term especially. But this is such a unique business. And honestly, what I provide is so unique. I totally appreciate the work you do on my behalf. I really do. Elisa and I started working in the depths of the beginning of the pandemic. I had somewhat of a pipeline. Literally overnight in March of that fateful year, dried up completely. And I went from thinking, hey, I was going to have a good six-figure income that year to, does anybody know I'm still alive? But Elisa helped me pick up the pieces, and I believe within about 6 months, roughly, maybe it was 12 months, I'd done about $122,000 worth of business. And then certainly within a year or 18 months, it was up to more like $177,000. Lisa, I like to say, is my VP of marketing. She doesn't just get her fingers into one thing. I can bounce ideas off of Lisa, and she'll always give me her opinion. Even if it's not directly related to work she's doing with me, she'll give me her honest opinion, which is rare. In my case, it's extremely valuable. I'm a solopreneur. I am part of a brokerage network, but I rarely interact in person with anyone else consistently like I do with Elisa, and she's just easy to work with.